Take me where the hills are endless, where the songs are old, but shine anew. I'll trade the noise for wine and silence in the countryside. My soul breaks through market squares with voices bright, a curtain weaving through the night, guitars and steps on cobblestone. In every corner I'm at home. Every mile brings me closer to the joy I never knew. Trumpets blaze, the stars lean lower, every heartbeat feels so true. Take me where the hills are endless, where the songs are old, but shine anew. I'll trade the noise for wine and silence in the countryside. My soul breaks through. Let the saxophone cry, let the strings entwine, dancing shadows under olive trees tonight. City lights can't follow, they fade behind. Here I'm endless, here I'm alive. Take me where the hills are endless, where the songs are old, but shine anew. I'll trade the noise for wine and silence in the countryside. My soul breaks through. Slowly breathing, softly dreaming, past and future fold as one. Every road will lead me homeward to the land where